What's up, guys? It's Philly Storage RC. Today I got the Arrma Outcast 4S with V2. Yeah, what I'm doing today, I fixed it up. I cracked the chassis, broke the wing, so I replaced the wing, chassis, and the front bumper. You can see that. So that front bumper I had to replace. This is like a test day. This is a test day to see how it performs. But this is the V2, this ain't the 2.5, so. But I only got it on 50%. Oh yeah, she's a beast. It's going off-road. You got a little bit of snow, mud, wet sand, wet grass, everything wet. It's ice right there. Forgot about that part. I'd rather walk in the snow than ice. Yeah, I bought this from my homie. This thing is a beast. It's just that I had a bad crash and broke it now. It's like a test day. Test day for the Outcast. This thing is a beast. It's gonna be nice and muddy. This got the chassis brace on it underneath. My homie installed that in this car. We're gonna practice. We're gonna do some jumping with this. See how she do. Oh yeah. That kind of look alright with the white and the blue. Whoa. Trying to land on that wing to break it, huh? It's a pretty good wing, though. It's a sturdy truck. It's very sturdy. But my way of driving sometimes put it to the test. Not to mention it'd be cold outside. And the wing is off. The wing is broke and off. Plastics do not hold up in these temperatures. It's like 30, about 30 something degrees out here. Oh my God, am I gonna land right? Over there. I think I can get a backflip. Perfect. Yeah. Nice. Before I can see the branches. Let's see if I can get another one. Hit in the right spot, you can definitely get it. Oh, come on, go, bang. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I done ruined the wing. I got another one. That was really a new wing, was brand new wing. I wasn't for this. Yeah, but what I had to do, I had to fix a couple things. I forgot I had to fix the front shock because I broke the shock. So what I did was change the piston out. Piston was broke. Yeah, I did some damage on that jump I did on the tree. I didn't record it though. Perfect. Yo. Definitely ready for that part two. This thing is not playing today. Ready for that part two. Oh, let me fix that battery. The battery trying to come out. Ew. It's nice and muddy now. Nice and muddy. I think I got the punch turned too low, but I'm gonna see if I can do a stainless steel backflip, which I did do with this car. Let's see. Well, somewhat. This thing is a beast though. Give it that much credit. Hope you don't get stuck, but you look like I did. Oh God, ooh. Come on, come on. Ooh. Oh, damn. Yeah, I gotta take this out. Put this battery in there right. Everything is nice and wet today. Yeah, but it's not that bad out here though. It's really not that bad out here today. Now I seen a video with Earl Moorhead that he said he liked the slipper in the cars, which I understand. Certain kind of conditions you would rather the slipper. I just like the power to be pushed the way it's being pushed, but I don't mind the slipper in my crate. So either or, I can't complain. My Creighton is a beast with the slipper in here. And this is a beast with it in there. Only thing with slippers, when they break, I haven't broken too many. I think I broke about 3, but you gotta realize I got a lot of cars. If I wouldn't tried to save it, it would have been all right. Yeah, but that part 2 is coming. I'm making it, but I'm barely making it. I'm making it, but I'm barely making it. What the heck? The wing came out my pocket though? I guess it did. Perfect. Ho ho. It's like the whole forest line is pretty good, whether it's knew I wasn't gonna make that. Knew I wasn't gonna make that. Some people make these in the 6S. I wouldn't do that. But like I was saying, they Arrma whole forest line is awesome. Some things need minor upgrades. I think they are right the way they are most of the time. But who am I? All based on my opinion. Oh! Yeah, this thing is a beast. It's a tank. This is definitely a tank. That would have been the wing getting broke off again. Beast! Yeah, this sand is nice and wet today, man. This thing is a beast. Tell me what y'all think. Would you prefer the V2 or the V2.5? Slipper or center deck? Whoa. Yo, I got dirt all in my face. Yo. Yeah, the battery died on me, but what you expect. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Perfect.